I don't think that would fix it. But I did fix the stream. I don't know if you're in commercial land or not. Some of you are. The rest of you dirty viewers aren't. I feel bad that my stream went down like 6 times today. I really like to have a smooth stream, if anything. I should probably just lowball my bitrate all the time for the sake of smoothness, you know? Maybe that was what was causing the disconnect too, but I don't believe that necessarily. Oh well. I'm still trying to figure this thing out, everyone. No, it's back. Thanks for all staying. So I think I'm going to Chernys? I mean, Chernogorsk? I know. Well, right now I'm paying $60 a month for 30 down, 5 up. Which is not ideal, but it's, again, what I'm paying. I want to move soon. I'm trying to get a job somewhere else. So, maybe I'll have better internet soon. I live in one of, like, the worst states for internet possible. So, suboptimal. That's because I'm getting more ridiculous at how good I am at this game every day. Like, what did I just learn in that last life? That was like a half hour ago. Make sure you have more than 1 bullet in your gun. If you only have 1 bullet in your gun, you're going to have a bad time. Keep it loaded, you goofball. I did upgrade it, but I mean, you know, the tubes. The tubes, man. It's hard being a pro gamer. The DayZ scene is young. The championship payouts aren't high enough yet. Every time I see crawling zombies, I get a little frightened. Oh, you can hook me up. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. I have like $90,000 in student loan debt. And I'm getting into a career field that pays like $30,000. Whatever. It's all good. It'll work out. Pay off my student loans by the time I can retire. Wait. Okay. Thought my gun wasn't out. I was just hiding it. The running animation's so bad. I need to go slow here, or else I'll fall into the trouble I always fall into. Of drawing all the zombies in, getting hit, losing blood, bleeding, being at like 9,000 health. I live in Maine. It's like Alaska. I heard bad things about Australian internet too before. That sucks. Now, mine could definitely be worse, but at the same time, you know, I live on my own, and I pay $60 a month to get the internet, you know? So, I mean, I'm paying a lot of money for something that's not that good. Yeah, I've held jobs where I think I make more. But those are bad jobs. Those are... like that call center job I had. That one was horrible. But yeah, it's like the lowest paying career field you can get into for amount of money you need to spend to get into it. My angle was that no one else would be dumb enough to do it. So I wouldn't be competing with a lot of people. I have an i5. I would have gone an i7, but I mean, not made of money. Yeah, I like that angle. Seemed to make sense in my head. Let's do something no one else is willing to do. Isn't there an airfield over here, or am I hallucinating? Either way, I should hide in those trees. Yeah, you know, I think i7 actually would help for streaming. But for gaming, it's basically the same. Should have taken out more loans. What's 100K of debt? Whatever. I keep thinking to myself, someday, you know, and this is kind of morbid, I'm gonna inherit my mom's house, and I'm gonna sell that house, and then I'll pay off my loans, right? I think that's how it works. Yeah, Beast, but at the same time, you could just wait and then in the future get an i7 that's a lot cheaper, and you would need to upgrade a lot of your other parts because they'd be bottlenecked. They'd be bottlenecking the power of the i7. I don't know. That's an opinion that I read. I don't actually know much about computers. I just followed the instructions and put one together. But I heard, like, dollar for dollar, just spend like $800 on a computer and then upgrade it sooner as opposed to spending like $2,000 on a computer. Yeah, I got it all planned out, Tankin. Yeah, maybe Obama will fix everything. I think there's some like weird student loan repayment thing I can be if I work in like the public sector for X amount of years. But I'm not too sure about it. Yeah, it's super expensive to go to school. It's awful. The more money you spend in it, though, the less they charge. That's nice. This is the worst way to go into this airfield, by the way. Running across this field right here. You shouldn't do that. You should probably go to the edge. Oh, you got robots! Uh-oh. In Scotland, university is free. Why didn't I move to Scotland? Oh, God's imagine. Oh, good. Look at that. 17,000. That's awesome. That's like 3 classes. So what I was working with, like this older librarian lady, was like, "So how much does it cost to take a class now? Like $300?" And I was like, "What? What year is this? It cost me like $3,500 for one class. What are you talking about? $300? This is 1970." $300 for a class. Jeez. Oh, I would need to move there after graduating and then just do something in Scotland. I don't think I could have pulled that off. Alright, time to get serious about this game also, because now we're in trouble zone. I go to an all-girls school in Boston called Simmons College. A lot of ladies there. There's never anything anywhere, you know? Like flashlight. Hey, how about this flashlight? You can drop your handgun. No. I'm not dropping my handgun. Drop my handgun. Yeah, Tom Bomb, man. That's what I think I'm about to get myself into. It's not a flashlight. Although maybe that is what it would be like in a post-apocalyptic world. What do we got? Let me put myself in jeopardy by looting this horribly crappy gear. That wasn't that bad, but still. I want to shoot that guy in the head. I don't want to alert everyone to my position, but I'm going to do it. No, I can't hit him from that distance. Yeah, the medical tents on the right are better, but I just need to know what's in here. How's behind you doing? Is that a gunshot? What am I hearing? Why did you just stand up? Nothing told you to stand up. Yeah, there is a female model. That's crap. There's some stuff in this corner. Yeah, that sucks. The fuck? What the hell happened here? Well, on the off chance, someone dropped this stuff, didn't they? Like, I'm taking their dirty seconds. I see no reason not to take all this. Oh, is more stuff going to appear? The face shows your humanity? It does? What? Oh, it's not? Okay. Then let's get out of here. Before I die. So our next goal is to go this way. To the tents. Light the flares. I don't want to light the flare. I see no benefit of lighting the flare. If you know something I don't, let me know. The eyes get more evil? I didn't know that. That's cool. That guy actually looks like an idiot. I play as Xavier. The douchebag with a ponytail. Oh, this sucks. Yeah, I'm lucky. I only work like 20 minutes away from where I live. Ah, no, don't think like that. You gotta stay positive. Alright, don't aggro anything. Gotta be on our guard here. Says Bagels, he sprints standing up across the road into the field. I've never had a ghillie suit. I've had the camo before. Just duck! Jesus, stop running. Press P. No. I feel like that was some way to trick me to seeing what server I'm on. God, it's the glitchiest thing. How long's this game been out? My favorite bagel's a blueberry bagel, but I haven't had one in a while. Because I'm trying to eat healthy, so I get whole wheat bagels now. Oh. I feel like I did a bad job of looking around and making sure no one else was here. There's clearly nothing here. Just get down. God, get on the ladder, man. Oh, you know, I haven't seen a whole wheat blueberry. Yeah, I have seen not, and then I pressed it real quick just to see if there was anything that was like, Bagel's playing on this server, please come kill him. I knew it would display names. Because I have pressed P before. Oh, fuck me. We're not going to talk about that. Ah. There's a glitch. Okay. Don't know about that. Hey! Hey! I'm not taking that gun. Unless you guys want me to. Take it. Over the pistol I have now. You said it takes all kinds of ammo? Does it take the ammo of the gun I have now? No. Yeah. Great, I'm totally gonna get killed up here. I need a gun with ammo in it, guys. Or do you think we're gonna disconnect? Oh, we might not. I think the server's just lagging. I don't see much of that ammo around Aurelian. Put it in my bag? Oh no. I don't really want to. Is it a good gun? Oh. Fair enough. Well, that was odd. What the hell did I do to deserve that? What just happened? Yay, Daisy! I don't know. I feel like when I was up there, I got shot, and I left. Oh, Hans Gruber Jr. I was watching an E3 stream, and they said your name on it, and I said, I know that man. I know who Hans Gruber Jr. is, so it was refreshing to hear your name. Oh, do you think I died from the ladder? The ladder could have killed me, and then the lag postponed it. Well, do I stay on the server? Yes. Uh-oh. Ah, the game gets you. Yeah, you what? You asked the Watchdog devs a question. That was you. Did you feel really famous? I would have. Oh, leave. If that's what you suggest. I gotta send you over here again, just real quick, just to delay the inevitable death, or possibly prevent something. Here we go. Now we're getting into a server. Yeah, that's cool, Hans Gruber Jr. They seem like cool guys, too. Sometimes I feel like during parts of the day, the game overall is just more laggy. Like, on all the servers. I don't know about that. Don't be mean. I got you. Don't make fun. How's that, Zaraji? I figure just by not showing it, at least now they have to look at stuff, you know? I mean, I know they can just look at, like, what names are in there and whatnot, but, like, at least now they know. No, you can't. Damn it, you guys. Stop saying words like that. Be nice. Be nice people. Yeah, Zaraji. Does that follow up to what you were just saying? I mean, you can post it either way, I guess. What is that? Why do you have my IP address? Oh snap! Really, you can just do that? Hey, by the way, chat room, if you want to hack Bagel, there you go. Rank on server number 23. Minutes played 18. He's online now. Well, I feel a little uncomfortable. No, I'm not alive, very dead. I should be more careful. Yeah, I'm concerned now. Sorry, G, I don't like that link you posted. Hey, the game's loading. All right. Yeah, I would imagine I would play games for the rest of my life if I've done it up to this point. I don't see any reason to stop. You know. How did you know that, Pickle Cannon? Oh, hey, Lord Bacon. Your bot icon will pop up in a second. And the name on the game? Nah, Zara, I'm not doing all that. I haven't even been stream sniped at all. We've been casting all day, you know? If I have, they've been doing a really shitty job at it. I've just been dying to, like, other stuff, like ladders. Oh, not yet, Beastronaut. Yeah, it's $30. I'm gonna in general. I plan to keep streaming on other days too. I don't know for today. I would like to get into this game sometime, but I feel like every stream is lagging hard all at once. I don't understand how that happens. The other day, yeah, but it was like the same dude. It's like, is that one guy in the chat room right now? Yes or no? If he is, then yeah, I might get more. But I don't want to have to stream the game and be like, alright, I'm going to put this thing in the middle of the screen, and I'm going to cover up the chat in game, and I'm going to put this other thing up here, like, you know, like, just get out of town. I don't know, this game is being pretty bad right now. Short on money for bills? I don't know, do you have a credit card? Get into credit card debt. I don't really know of any other way to get money. Because I do things by the books. Yeah, I didn't know about that Game Tracker website. That's kind of crazy. I sound different today? Why? What am I doing differently? Yeah, I didn't know this site existed. Nah, don't steal. My balls dropped. I'm 25 years old. Finally. It happened. Shanoozy, hey Shanoozy. I don't know if we're getting in this game. It says it's loaded, but I don't know if I believe it. It's kind of just hanging. My voice sounds different. I don't know. Do you hear the water in the background too? I don't know if that has to do with my voice. Just wondering what you're hearing. Shut down! Shut down, huh? Oh man, no, I've never done surveys for cash. Oh, I'm very excited. I have trouble keeping it going sometimes during the server joining parts. That's always the hardest part of this DayZ stream, is whenever I get kicked out of the servers. Or, you know, when I die climbing down a ladder. That sucks. Yeah, the kappa needs to be capital K. Or else it won't work. Yeah, you know what? Maybe that was it, suboptimal. But dying on the ladder didn't help either. And then everyone found out my IP address. And then I found out I can be found on what server I am by going to some website. And if everyone didn't know that website before, now they know it. And are we streaming this? Oh, we are. Okay, cool. And I don't know how to get rid of that website. No. It's not on Mac. No, no. I shoot first, ask questions later. That's me. Yeah, it sucks having a Mac if you want to play games. With tech, I think you're on the right track, but you're a little off. I am from Maine. It's a fun place up here. Not really in Maine. I'm like in the southern Maine. It's almost like the rest of the country here. Can you tell by my voice? Oh, I hate the loading in this game. And this random thing that pops up all the time. I'm practically Canadian. I don't talk like them, though. Those dirty Canadians talk. No offense if you're from Canada. Alright, I got faith in this one. How can we help you, J-Devil? Oh, yeah. He's huge up here. Never met him, though. Oh, rain. Really? Well, hey, at least it's working. Oh, I didn't see what town I'm in. Damn it. Road first, go left. Aren't we near? Wait. Yeah, road first, go left. Aren't we near something? Yeah, Ifreed's correct. I live in the civilization part. Old people move here a lot. A lot of old people. You want there's a website that makes it feel like it's raining around you? There's a lot of Canadians on Twitch TV. Too many. So you guys know this game better than I do sometimes. You know exactly where everything is. But yeah, all I know is that if I see the road first, I go left. Oh, yep, there's the sign for Electro. And if I see the railroad first, I go right. And I remember some of the town names. Like the ones like far on the outskirts. It's like, maybe I should just respawn. That's a weird question, Latface. You're a weird guy. You live in Maine too, 11 Jacks. That's fun. It's hot here today. What are the apartments that you guys keep talking about? Like the ones just in town that I always go in, or are they like elsewhere? I guess I don't know exactly what the apartments are. Anyone in Cherno? Yeah, what? Why do people say that? Do they say that as a joke now, or...? Yeah, Cherno's empty today. Across from the hospital. Alright. Man, I found matches on 2 different lives today, too. That's kind of lucky. For someone who's never found a match before. The apartments are next to the hospital in North Edge of town. Okay. I will check the hospital. The hospital area. There's really no reason for my character to go to the hospital, unless he needs, like, bandages and shit. Because I ain't getting a blood transfusion. I don't think we're gonna... Hey, Bagel, now that we know your IP address, what's your real address? Bagel, can I have, like, the last, just, like, I don't know, 4 digits of your social security number? Fuck! That was a zombie. Stop it! Okay. No, I'm gonna need the whole thing. This game attracts a really weird crowd. You guys are odd. Hey, Bagel, what's the first car you ever drove, and, what's your place of birth? Just out of curiosity. Alright, what are those? Oh, those are just pumpkins. Just some nice Russian pumpkins. You zombies, you stay away from me. Oh crap, I've already made a friend. Oh, but he disappeared. I'm sure we've seen the last of him. Nope, there he is. Well, I'm probably going to do something stupid with this enemy, like run straight into town with him, go in a building and have a firefight with him, attracting all player characters to my location. Oh, got another one. But I am not fighting them outside. Ooh, I can fight him in the church. That's probably the safest thing. Oh, God. Get over that fence. Don't get hit. Okay. Okay. I don't know what he's doing. Well, hey, I found the, hospital. I'm going in that building there! Oh my god, what? God, the pathing on these zombies makes, like, 0 sense. Is this the apartments you guys were talking about? I rarely find good things in here. Maybe they're just overpicked. Sometimes the sounds the zombies make sound like I'm getting hit. Okay. So where the beans at? How am I doing on shots? 3 of 5. Well, let's get out of here before someone kills me. Who's shooting? I got good aim there. That was okay. I think I hit him one time in the collarbone when I meant to hit him in the face, but other than that, it was okay. Those boxes are good if you're playing with a friend. They're full of bandages, morphine, and blood packs. As far as I know, blood packs just give you full health from any amount. Maybe I've never been low enough to not get full health. Well, I'm fucked. Could have sworn I had a pretty good shot in that guy's head. Yeah, but that I knew how many shots I had there. Yeah, just using the camera. I feel like he's coming around here for some reason. Alright. We showed him. We taught him a thing or two about walking around. Just wanted to scare him, wasn't going to kill him. Spook him a little bit. I was aiming right at his head. That was just me dealing with the inaccuracy of the Makarov. You know? Do you think he came forward after that or went back? Bagel stalks his prey. I feel like if I was him, I would have went this way. He stalks his prey with the worst gun in the game. Alright, well, I've lost him. I saw him between the building and the fence. Oh, shit, you guys saw him. Well, that narrows it down. Oh, oh, shit. Oh, the building and the fence. Right, as opposed to the grass and the tree. Oh, you better be afraid, man. You better be afraid. I don't like that I'm not looking at him right now, though. He could be going anywhere. Gotcha. Alright, I feel a little bad about that, but it's him or me. There's no way he has anything good on him. I do feel a little bad about that, but I'd already shot at him once, because I was scared, and you know, he was gonna get me. And now I'm a murderer. What do you have on him? Absolutely fucking nothing. Really? The check vest pouch? He replaced his backpack with something worse? Yeah, there's like no reason to kill him. Oh well. Okay, there's the school. The school's got stuff. Yeah, I just murdered a noob. Like he wasn't playing like a noob. Like, was there any suspicion that that guy might have been pro prior to me seeing what was on him? Like, well, someone was shooting at me, so I'm gonna crouch in the corner here. That tent. Oh, fuck. See, now I'm scared. He's right there, guys. You think he's waiting for me? Oh my god. My heart's beating pretty fast. Got him! Oh, fuck! Oh, it's just a zombie. Is there another player shooting? My hands are shaking. Is there another player shooting at me? Thousand blood. Fuck. Ah, damn it! I couldn't get through the door! They just doing the door thing that it does! My hands are shaking! In the game, too, and in real life, but... I know I had him when I walked out, but I couldn't... My guy's hands were shaking, and then also mine were. That was pretty nuts. That was awesome. I wonder if that was his friend or just a guy in the area. Yeah, I hesitated, but, like, at the same time, what should I have done? Oh, man, that was crazy. Yeah, and the door did kind of fuck me over, but that's not really the main reason I died, but the door did get me a little bit. Should have wiggled, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm sure he would have trusted me with all the death surrounding me. The door... Nah, it is hard to get through the doors, but that wasn't why I died. I should have hit him at first. After that, I tried to move out and aim at him again, but I couldn't, and that's when I was stuck on the door. That could have been someone from the chat. I have no idea. I would just kill everyone I see. Oh well. Alright guys, I think this is a good time to end the cast. I was planning to end at 3. We had some fun today. Good stream. Good streaming. If you're new, you should follow the channel. Nah, I've been streaming since like 10. No, 10:30. We've been streaming for like 5 hours. Come on. Rocky! Hey Rocky! Sorry you got here. There's gotta be someone else on who's so much fun, right? It's not only just me. GQ's casting. Oh my god, it's like, I want to scroll to see who's on, but everyone's screen takes up the entire screen, so you gotta scroll forever. You know what I'm talking about. Oh, it's Psychotic Gaming's doing their marathon. 336 hours. Isn't that like a month? How do you do that? But yeah, you should check out GQ if you've never seen him. And if you're new here, you should follow the channel. I can't. I got stuff to do today. I was invited to a dinner party. Oh. I should probably go, because I hate socializing with people. In real life, not in fake life. In fake life, I love it. Real life, ugh, hate it. But I should probably do that. Sorry you just joined. I will cast again tomorrow. Tomorrow I will cast. Saturday. I don't know what time. Doot. But it will happen. Do you want to see more of this game, or do you want to see Dark Souls? Quick poll. I think you guys want to see DayZ, judging from how many viewers show up for this versus that. Trucking! Trucking's not on the list. I cannot truck right now. Okay, we'll do DayZ. I don't... You know what? I was getting this game, thinking that I would stream it, and I was like, yeah, you know what? We like playing simulation games. This game's real hot right now. I think there's an okay chance people would like watching it. It might be kind of weird because I don't really play modern shooters, but I think people will watch it. Nope, most popular thing I've ever done. This. Okay. Well, we'll keep doing it. I'll keep my bitrate at what I had it at the end of the cast, because that seemed to solve the random disconnects and the lag that happened at one point, and that should be good. I think what happens is in the morning, Twitch TV servers aren't as congested. Either that or my internet's not as congested, and I can stream at a higher bitrate, and then as the day goes on, more people start doing things, and then the servers are all tied up, you know? I think that's what happens. Anywho, Twitch TV, the great GQ, he's an awesome guy. You'll like him a lot. He's having fun over there. No, we won't be doing Dark Souls. I am really into this game, so we'll keep playing this game. Thanks for coming, guys. If you're new, follow the channel. And that's it. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a good day. It's Friday, I think. Have fun. Goodbye.